Hello and welcome to our Karatbars International video tutorial. In this video, we will explain what the Team Statistics section is. Please go to karatbars.com and click on the Login button on the very top right of the site and log into your Karatbars account with your username and password. Once you successfully logged in, you enter the back office. The back office is your private and protected Karatbars area, where you can look up all information about your account, change settings or your profile information, place purchases, learn all about your commissions, and many other things. Please click on Team Statistics. Our system will take you to your personal referral page first. Here you can see the contact details of your sponsor at the very top. Please feel free to always reach out to him or her if you have any questions or need help. Now, check your referral links below. These are the links you want to send out to potential customers and affiliates to ensure they will be assigned to you when they register. Your personal referral link may be sent out to potential affiliates. Your personal shop link for potential customers. Your personal landing page link is a teaser page for potential affiliates who can request more information from you, but will not be registered with Karatbars right away. Your K-Exchange link is for potential businesses who might want to participate in our K-Exchange system. If the potential affiliate or customer clicks on registration after clicking on your link, he or she will automatically be assigned to you. At the very bottom on the page, you will find the contact details of your directly sponsored affiliates, your directly sponsored customers, and other kinds of affiliates. Look up your Unilevel tree in the View Unilevel section, but please note that these are only the members in the first levels of your Unilevel. In the Dual System section, you can set the placement for new affiliate registrations, get an overview of how many people and units you have in your left and right teams, and even search for specific affiliates in your downline by simply entering their username. Very important! Please note that the placement is a presetting, meaning once a customer or affiliate account is created, it cannot be moved. If you wish to change your placement, simply choose Left, Right, or Automatic or Placement. Automatic will place new affiliates balanced in both teams. If you choose Placement, a new window will pop open where you can enter a username. You will want to choose this kind of placement if you wish to place all new affiliates under a specific person in your downline. Once again, please note that the placement is a presetting, meaning once a customer or affiliate account is created, it cannot be moved. Please plan accordingly. It's very important that you always make sure to click on the Update button after changing your placement option. To learn more about how your back office works, please make sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and have a golden day. Your Karatbars team.